Have you ever opened a long text file and needed to change the same word in several places? Instead of searching manually, Notepad gives you simple find and replace tools. In this guide, I'll show you how to find specific text, replace it, and update multiple matches in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open the text file you want to work with in Notepad. You can open it from File Explorer or launch Notepad and use the File menu to open your document. For this example, we'll use a document containing the same word several times. To search for text, open Notepad's Find option. You can access it from the Edit or Search controls, depending on your Windows version, or use the keyboard shortcut Control plus F. A search box will appear. Type the word or phrase you want to find. Once you enter your search term, Notepad highlights a matching result in the document. Use the Next or Previous controls to move through other matches. You can also adjust available search options, such as matching the whole word or considering uppercase and lowercase letters if your version provides them. Now let's replace that text. Open the Replace option from the search interface or use the keyboard shortcut Control plus H. You'll see two fields, one for the text you want to find and another for the replacement text. Enter the original word in the Find field, then type the new word in the Replace field. Select Replace to change the current matching result. If the word appears several times, you can move to the next match and replace it individually. Yeah, this gives you more control over exactly what gets changed. If you're sure every matching result should change, use Replace All. Notepad will update all matching occurrences in the document at once. Before doing this, quickly check your search term and replacement text, because replacing everything can be difficult to undo if you're not paying attention. Once you're happy with the changes, save your file using Save or Control plus S if you want to keep the original version. Choose Save As and create a new copy instead. That's a useful habit before making large changes, and that's how you find and replace text in Notepad. Find is great for locating specific words, while Replace and Replace all make editing repeated text much faster. So next time you have a long document to update, you know exactly where to start. Thanks for watching.